In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage notifications in Claude AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the notification settings and how to switch them on or off, so Claude lets you know when a response is finished without overwhelming you. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Claude AI. You're looking for the official site. Before you click, double-check that the link looks legitimate and uses a secure connection. This simple habit helps you avoid phishing pages and ensures you're signing in to the right place. Once you've found the correct result, click through to the site. On the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Google or Continue with Email, depending on what you normally use. If you choose Google, follow the prompts from your account provider. If you choose Email, sign in as you normally would. You might see a quick verification step. That's normal and helps keep your account secure. After you're signed in and the Claude interface loads, look to the bottom left corner of the sidebar. Click your user profile there. This will look like your initials or a small avatar. A menu will expand with several options related to your account. From that menu, select Settings. This is where Claude keeps all your account and app level preferences. It's a good idea to remember this location since you may come back later to adjust other preferences as your workflow evolves. Inside Settings, click General. General is the home for common preferences that affect how the app behaves for you, including notifications. It's a straightforward area with options grouped clearly so you can find what you need quickly. Next, click Notifications. This will take you to the page that controls how and when Claude alerts you about activity. Think of this as your control center for keeping focus while still staying informed. Here you'll see an option labeled Response Completions. Toggle this switch to match your preference. When it's on, Claude will notify you when a response finishes generating, handy if you like to multitask with the tab in the background. When it's off, Claude stays quiet, which can be helpful during deep work or meetings. Choose what best supports your day. Most changes here save automatically, so you don't need to look for an extra save button. That's it. You opened Claude in your browser, signed in securely, navigated to your profile, entered Settings, went to General, opened Notifications, and adjusted response completions. If your needs change, you can come back anytime and update this setting just as easily. Thanks for watching, and happy focusing with Claude.